Hey everyone! Ever dreamt of pizza as a country? Crazy, right? Well, forget passports. Today, we're on a taste bud adventure, a world pizza tour. We'll explore 3 incredible pizzas, each a delicious tribute to a different nation, and then we'll have a special bonus pizza for the end. We'll use pre-made dough. Divide it into 4 equal portions. Check the link in the description for the recipe. Hang tight, the deliciousness is just beginning. We'll take our dough and stretch a piece into a flatbread. First stop, Ukraine. For this Ukrainian pizza, we'll spread on some tomato sauce and cheese. Imagine the taste melting in your mouth. But wait, there's more. Now, for some smoky, savory goodness, we'll add sliced smoked sausage. Feel the aromas start to mingle. Stay tuned, there's an interesting twist coming up. Can you guess what it might be? A traditional Ukrainian dish is salted lard, so we can't forget that. Thin slices add a unique flavor. Imagine how these classic ingredients transform a simple pizza into something extraordinary. Curious how it'll turn out? Let's find out together. Now, to add a refreshing crunch and a pop of green, we're gonna slice some cucumbers. Gotta balance all those yummy flavors, right? And trust me, the contrast is simply delightful. Each bite brings an explosion of flavors. The colors are about to pop. Now, for a refreshing twist, we're gonna add some hard-boiled eggs. Just a few more steps to pizza perfection. Finally, we can't forget the fresh dill. This aromatic herb is a Ukrainian favorite, and it'll bring a wonderful freshness to the pizza. Just a sprinkle to finish. Perfection. Now, pop this beauty in the oven and get ready to be amazed by a taste of Ukraine. Next up, we're setting sail across the Atlantic for America. Here, we'll use classic pizza sauce for that familiar base we all know and love. Cheese time. We're going with a mozzarella and cheddar combo. A classic for a reason, folks. But America loves to go big, so we're gonna add some chopped peppers for a vibrant burst of color. Red, yellow, green, pick your favorites. Now let's not forget the sliced mushrooms, earthy and delicious. They're a must-have on any American-style pizza. Fun fact: pepperoni is the most popular pizza topping in the US. And guess what? We're adding it next. That red is looking delicious. But wait, there's more. We can't have an American pizza without some bacon, can we? We won't be frying it today, but its smoky goodness is a must. These little pieces will add a delightful burst of flavor in every bite. To finish this masterpiece, we're gonna add some fried onions for that extra crunch and a touch of sweetness. Now, send that bad boy to the oven, and let's get ready for a taste of America. Time to fly back to the land where pizza was born, Italy. We'll start with the base, of course. Layers of that amazing tomato sauce, some delightful Italian cheeses, and top it off with some deli meats. Did you know the perfect Italian pizza sauce is all about simplicity? Just crushed tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and maybe a touch of garlic. Chopped olives add a salty touch, and then it's straight to the oven for baking. While it cooks, let's prepare some finishing touches. Fresh cherry tomatoes, a vibrant green and purple salad, and a dollop of creamy mozzarella. Once the pizza is golden brown, we'll add these fresh toppings for a beautiful presentation. Bellissimo! Pizza Italy is complete. For a bonus, we have a special Mediterranean seafood pizza. We'll use the same base of tomato sauce and cheese. Then, we'll throw some chopped spinach in a pan with cream, letting it simmer for a bit before spreading it on the pizza. From the sea, we'll add some smoked squid and mussels for that delightful ocean flavor. To top it all off, some thinly sliced purple onions add a pop of color. Send it to the oven and let the magic happen. I'm glad I could share my take on international pizzas with you today. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more delicious creations.